Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in T3 Arena on your mobile device. If you're playing T3 Arena and experiencing annoying lagging issue during matches, then you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective steps to reduce or completely fix lag in T3 Arena using mobile device. First of all, open up your T3 Arena game and also make sure that you are using a stable internet connection on your mobile device. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and find the best connection for the game. If there is any background applications running on your device, make sure that you close them. After you do that, from the home screen of T3 Arena, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Options. Under the Options, click on Graphics. In the Graphics tab, make sure to select the normal or the basic graphic quality. After you do that, you can now get back to the home page and try playing the game. Once you select low or medium, this might be able to fix your lagging issue. If that still doesn't work, get back to the same graphics section and then also make sure to choose the low resolution option and turn off the shadow by clicking on off right next to the shadow option. And right after you do that, get back to the home page and that might be able to help you fix the issue. Also make sure that the device you are using has enough storage space. Make sure to delete the application you no longer use so that T3 Arena can be run smoothly. Sometimes a simple restart can help clear background processes and refresh your system. Restart your device and see if that fixes the issue as well. So those were some of the fixes and tips that could help you reduce the lag issue on your T3 Arena mobile game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.